Alright guys, today I'm going to do a tutorial with you guys. Welcome to my channel. This is Peanut. Today I'm going to show you how you connect an LED strip via Molex to a Molex connector to put LED case lights in your computer. And let you guys know this is 5 volt, ground, 12 volt. You'll need to hook it to the 12 volt, 5 volt, or 5 volt be dim, 12 volt be bright. Basically what you do is you take the the black and red that are closest together, bend them over like so, and you tape them over, that way they don't touch when you plug them in. I won't be plugging it in, but just trust me, it works because it's how I have mine plugged in. So take it, wrap it around it like so. This is redneck version. Then you take the white stripped one, the hot, hook it to the hot. Black with white strip goes to yellow, which is ground. Let me get some tape, electrical tape. This is how. Basically, this is under $20 here. So take it. Tape it up. I don't know if I can tape it up. Alright, solid black, which would be ground. Do it like that. And take these two, tape them together like so, and there you have it. Plug that straight in your Molex connector right in your computer. Just turn it on. This is red. It'll be really bright. You can buy these at Walmart for 12 bucks for a set of 2 of them. These just take off an old power supply. There you have it. Like, subscribe, comment. Twitter, Facebook, in the description. Yeah. Thank you guys. Have a good day.